It was a very active afternoon and evening, Nicole. Things are starting to calm down a little bit. This is a live shot looking over Dallas where the thunderstorms have left. Look how warm it is. It's 70 degrees. The dew point is at 69. And yeah, if it wasn't for this wind, we probably would have a thick fog forming overnight. But I think we'll have enough wind to keep the fog rather patchy. This is the rainfall activity going on right now. Storms is still in progress over by Emory and Mineola, but gone out of the metroplex. As we zoom in on where all that lightning is, no warnings here, but this is headed into Mineola and Quitman here shortly, and it's going to bring a very heavy rain. There's a strong thunderstorm by Corsicana and heading off to the east, but there's no warning on this one either. Now, we're under a thunderstorm watch until 1 a.m. We still have a cold front to come into this very warm, humid air, so they're going to keep it up till 1 a.m. and monitor the situation, but the trend has been the storms weakening, this dry line that triggered all this off to the east, but it's not very dry air here yet. This cold front will scour out that moisture, but it's not here really until the morning. Look at these temperatures waking up around 50 degrees in the upper 50s around the metro area. Look how much it warms up, like that much. We'll be in the mid 60s by afternoon. On top of that, it'll be very windy, even though the sun will be out. But look at these highs along the Red River, only in the 50s. Those are highs typical of late February. But this was 6 hours of radar data showing the thunderstorms rolling across us this end of day and evening. And what pops up there are all the storm reports. A lot of reports of hail with these thunderstorms. We were telling you earlier that would be the biggest threat. And boy, that was a supercell that moved over parts of Wise and Denton County, and in Briar. They had, as far as a measured hailstone, 4.5 inches in size. That was measured by a National Weather Service employee, so that's a good account. And this, by the way, in Denton and Justin is a 3-inch report, and this rest of those was 2-inch size hailstones. So we had a lot of large hail, 1.5 inches down in Granbury, and that's what we're looking for, a rainfall ahead. Maybe by Sunday. And guess when it shows up the best? By next Monday. The total eclipse, yeah, it looks like there's not even a 50-50 chance in April anyway of having optimum viewing conditions. That would be sunny to partly sunny skies, but right now we're saying there's a 10% chance. So we got rain and clouds on next Monday, but until then, oh, by the way, great weather Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.